Hi guys, and welcome to Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises and this is my very first YouTube channel. Really, YouTube video. I'm actually very excited to do this, guys. I've been looking forward to doing this for quite a while. Actually, I'm really creating this channel mainly just because I actually want to outreach to a lot of people. I love motivation. This channel, Stocks with You, is really going to be focused on motivation. It's going to be focused on finance. It's going to be focused on stocks. It's going to be focused on technology. What makes the world tick? What makes the world moves? Once in a while, we may even talk about politics in relation to business. We don't discuss politics in this channel, but we are going to discuss how politics deals in business and stocks and how that affects the market. So if you guys are interested in this, if you guys are interested in learning how to make money in the market, then this is the right channel. I am actually not a financial advisor. I'm actually just a regular guy like you and a regular girl, anybody. I'm a person who has really been wanting to get out of the rat race for a long time. That's why I started doing what I did a couple of years ago, and it's been the best decision I've ever made in my life. It's actually propelled me to do things that I never thought would be possible, make the kind of money that I really couldn't even think of making in a year or two. And it's not about the money, it's about the freedom. It's about having the ability to do what you want, when you want, put your mother into retirement, put your father into retirement, buy yourself a house, buy yourself a car, buy whatever you want, but as long as it makes you happy. The money is not the goal. Money is just a tool for us to get ahead, but financial freedom is the real thing we're trying to achieve here. We're trying to achieve motivation. We want to see you guys succeed. I want to succeed. I want to see all of you guys succeed. Things are changing. Technology is changing. This isn't your grandpa's channel anymore. This is ways on how to make money in the market. We try to find ways. We're all trying to get out of the rat race. I actually still have a job, but I'm working on transitioning on working from home full-time in the stock market, doing other businesses that I want to venture into, real estate, doing this great channel, doing a lot of things. Really, it's about doing everything we want and not having to be tied down to one physical job or one place. We could, up and move ourselves anywhere we want in the world if we just take the time to learn. This channel is about trying to get ahead. That's all it is. We're all just trying to get ahead. But please remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am actually taking you guys through my journey. I'm not here to show you guys how to get rich. I'm here to motivate you guys to get rich. I'm here to motivate you and show you snippets on how I'm doing it, what I look for, what I look into in order to make money. But once again, I am not a financial advisor. If you guys want financial advice, please contact a financial advisor. I don't want you guys to come to me and say, Ulises, I lost money. I'm gonna be like, you know what, bro? You should have done your DD, due diligence. Do your research and really figure out whether the things we talk about are actual things you want to explore, you want to put money into, and if you think it fits for you, then take the leap. Otherwise, you can always still benefit from learning about new technology, about how this is going to change the world, how we need to set ourselves up for the future, because the future is coming and lots of things are going to change, and we want to be the guys who are pioneering on how future technologies are going to be used. We want to be the guys who know about it before they happen. We don't want to be the guys reading about it, because by the time you read about it in the paper, as Jordan Belfort said, it's already too late. Not that I'm saying that I want to be like Jordan Belfort. It's a great movie, but that's pretty much it. The guy's real. He did a lot of things, but you know what? We're trying to make money the right way. So once again, guys, thank you very much for joining me on this journey, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be, beefing up this channel. We're gonna have a nice studio. We're gonna do great things here. So just please keep us in check. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends and family, and let's make some money. And just remember, you can get out of the rat race too.